In this tutorial I will show you how to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Now I'm going to open up the Facebook app here. Click at the 3 vertical lines at top right corner of the screen. Next you need to scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Next click on Settings. Now you need to scroll down on Audience and Visibility section. You can see how people find and contact you option. Click on that. Now here the second option say who can see your friends list. Click on that. Currently this is set to public, which means that anyone can see my friends list and also our mutual friends. But if you want to hide that completely, then click on More and set this to only me. And now no one will be able to see who my friends are in Facebook. Won't tell them who are our mutual friends.